Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can get gold points on the Nintendo eShop. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this video right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So it says here on the Nintendo website that gold points can be earned by purchasing eligible digital games or DLC for the Nintendo Switch from the official Nintendo website, Nintendo eShop, or by redeeming a retail issued download code. Gold coins can be earned by purchasing sets of Nintendo Switch game vouchers, but not redeeming vouchers. Purchases made on the Nintendo eShop for Nintendo Switch or for the Nintendo website automatically earn gold points worth the equivalent of 5% of the total paid amount. And all digital titles for Nintendo Switch that are available through the Nintendo eShop qualify for gold points. So if you didn't already know, gold points will expire after 12 months on the last day of the month in which they were earned. And you can use these gold points to discount your next purchase on the Nintendo eShop. To do this, you simply have to add the item you want to purchase to your cart, and then you can just select redeem points at checkout. And here are some additional tips for earning gold points on the Nintendo eShop. Purchase digital games during sales. Nintendo often runs sales on the eShop, which is a great time to save money and earn points at the same time. You want to take advantage of special promos. This is because Nintendo also offers special promotions from time to time to allow you to earn bonus gold points on certain purchases. And finally, you want to register all your physical game cards. Even if you don't plan on buying any more digital games, it's still a good idea to register all of your physical game cards so that you can earn gold points on them. So in conclusion, gold points are a great way to save money on your next purchase on Nintendo eShop, and by following these tips you can maximise your earnings and get the most out of your gold points. So that's exactly how you can get gold points on the Nintendo shop. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.